Welcome everyone. Today is August 26, 2019. Here to give you all our price prediction for Chainlink paired against the dollar. Got an article right here on the left side of my screen. And as always, at the end of our videos, we give you our price movement forecast and our expectations as to what we expect the market to do for each particular altcoin that we do a video for. So now, if you appreciate the content, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and as well, like and share these videos to anyone else that you think would benefit from our content. Now, Chainlink, okay, being fully transparent, we don't change anything on our price charts. We are forward looking as to our expectations into the market for Chainlink. As you all can tell on the right side of my screen, things didn't pan out the way that we expected it. It was pinpointed that $2.60 was resistance, and that has played out precisely in tow numerous times on the price chart. I will talk about that momentarily, but first I just wanted to talk about this article on the left side of my screen talking about Chainlink price analysis. Yesterday's surge sets down, may see resistance at $2.22. It's about 3 days ago. So as you can tell, about 3 days ago, right here, the market definitely broke through that $2.22 area. Okay, now it started off in this article about Chainlink has started an upward trend to remain above $2.20. The coin has rebounded after tracing a dip near 2018, may face resistance near $2.23. You all can tell that has literally played out that way. Then after yesterday's surge above 229, Chainlink has traced a bearish trend line. So obviously this article is going into the bearish sentiment of the market in Chainlink, and we're going to show you precisely on the price chart why this seemingly looks to continue of Chainlink continue to move to the downside. I will have a link though if you want to continue to read upon this article about the technical indicators that they utilize, which we do not use because we are under the presumption that it is pointless to have all of those indicators on your chart. It simply does nothing but causes confusion in your analysis. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch on over to our price chart. You can see right here on the 4th, and then on the 5th, then once again on the 14th, and then lastly at the 19th of August, the market continually has shown us that $2.60 was resistance, right? So if you were able to take that profit off at $2.60 in Chainlink, you would have profited what? About 2.5% in the market, okay? So seemingly how the market really did not play out as what we expected. I mean, you could have got that TP at $2.60. You got $2.5% profit in that move. But overwhelmingly, this coin is losing a lot of interest to higher prices. That $2.60 has been used for resistance. So what we're going to do, we're going to push this down further. The market cannot sustain, or it did not sustain, $2.40 for support. And then once again, it did not sustain support at $2.20. And one thing I'm going to point out on the longer time frame is right here. Last week, got that massive push to go down bar in the space. That tells me already that the market in Chainlink in the long term is still weak. Even here on the monthly price bar, we're getting a lot of weakness in this particular cryptocurrency. So the expectation for the long term will be for Chainlink to move to the downside. Okay, so that's what we're going to implement. We're going to have resistance right there around $2.20, and we're going to play support right around there for the long term, $1.60. Now that's about 23% away from where we are today. So definitely you want to draw that out in the long term. I would TP the market around $1.80, maybe like $1.85. in the market for Chainlink. Okay, the only positive thing that we can see in the market for Chainlink is if it's able to hold this area right here for support, $2. Okay, if this market in Chainlink is not able to hold $2 for support, it's going to be a bigger move to the downside. So the anticipation of that occurring is still there. I would say maybe like a 20% chance that the market in Chainlink can hold $2 for support, but seemingly the market has been holding this consolidational range. We're trading towards the support area now. If we breach this area to the downside, it will come down to around 180 to $1.60. Okay, so I just wanted to come in and give you all an update on the market for Chainlink. Definitely on the long term, we look to see Chainlink continue to move to the downside, especially in the long term. Okay, give us your thoughts and your opinion of the market in Chainlink. Do you think that the market in Chainlink is going to hold that $2 for support? And if not, how low do you think this coin is going to go? Make sure y'all maintain profitability, and I will see you on the next one.